They're bold, they're striking, and they're instantly recognizable. Louboutin heels aren't just shoes, they're a statement. The signature red sole, the towering stiletto, and the undeniable air of luxury. Louboutin has mastered the art of making women feel both powerful and elegant. But have you ever wondered what really goes into crafting a pair of these iconic heels? Today, we're taking you inside the world of Christian Louboutin to uncover the meticulous process behind their creation. Stick around to hear some juicy fun facts you didn't know about these heels, including the magic behind the iconic red soles. The story of Louboutin began in 1991 when French designer Christian Louboutin founded his namesake brand. Inspired by his love for art, architecture, and French culture, Louboutin set out to create footwear that exuded confidence and glamour. One day, while working on a prototype, he noticed something was missing. His assistant happened to be painting her nails red, and in that moment of inspiration, he grabbed the nail polish and painted the sole of the shoe. The result? A bold, unmistakable feature that would go on to define the brand. Today, Louboutin heels are worn by celebrities, royals, and fashion enthusiasts worldwide, making them some of the most sought-after shoes in the luxury market. Every pair of Louboutins begins with a vision. Christian Louboutin, the man behind the brand, often sketches his designs by hand, pulling inspiration from art, history, and even architecture. But here's the fun fact. One of his first inspirations came from the curved lines of a Parisian wrought iron gate. Imagine that, something as ordinary as a gate transformed into an extraordinary shoe. Let's get an inside peek into the process. Every Louboutin heel begins as a sketch, drawn by hand in the Parisian design studio. The process blends creativity with precision, ensuring that each shoe is not only visually stunning, but also structurally sound. Here's the process. Louboutin personally sketches many of the designs himself, taking inspiration from nature, art, and Parisian culture. Digital modeling and 3D prototypes are used to refine the shoe's structure. Prototypes are then tested for aesthetics and functionality before moving to production. Once the sketches are complete, the real work begins. Louboutin's team of artisans translates these sketches into 3D prototypes. This phase is where they tweak proportions, adjust the arch, and test the balance. You might not think about it when you're slipping on a pair, but getting the angle of that heel just right is a science. If it's too steep, it's impossible to walk in. Too shallow, it loses its signature dramatic effect. Fun fact: Christian Louboutin's love for showgirls inspired many of his daring high heel designs. Now, let's talk about materials. Louboutin spares no expense when it comes to sourcing the finest leathers, suedes, and exotic skins. Each piece is meticulously inspected for imperfections because in luxury, every little detail matters. Ever wondered why Louboutin shoes have that buttery soft feel? That's because the leather is hand-picked for its suppleness, making sure it molds perfectly to the foot. Now let's take an inside peek into the process. Premium leathers, satins, and exotic skins such as python and alligator are sourced from the world's best tanneries. Each material is inspected for texture, durability, and consistency. Specialty finishes, such as patent leather and glitter fabric, undergo additional treatments to enhance their appearance. Here's a fun fact. Louboutin's most expensive heels are often made with Swarovski crystals and hand-embroidered fabrics. In fact, Taylor Swift wore custom Louboutin heels during her Eras tour, featuring intricate crystal embellishments and the brand's signature red soles. These one-of-a-kind designs complemented her elaborate stage outfits, making each performance even more dazzling. The real magic happens in Italy, where skilled artisans bring Louboutin's vision to life. Every pair goes through a painstaking 30-step process. It starts with cutting the leather by hand, ensuring each piece fits together like a puzzle. Leather panels are cut with millimeter precision using metal templates. Special molds, called lasts, are crafted to shape the shoe's silhouette. Components such as straps, embellishments, and insoles are prepared separately. The upper part of the shoe is then meticulously stitched, a process that takes hours to complete. And that's just the beginning. Here's a relatable comparison. Just like a tailor cutting fabric for a designer dress, each piece must be meticulously shaped for a perfect fit. Ah, the red sole, perhaps the most recognizable feature of a Louboutin heel. But did you know that this signature look happened by accident? The story goes that Christian Louboutin was working on a prototype in the early 90s when he felt something was missing. He spotted an assistant painting her nails red, grabbed the polish, and coated the sole with it. The result? Pure magic. Today, that red is more than just a color, it's a trademarked symbol of luxury. Did you know that the red is hand-applied to every shoe? Let's dive into the process. First, the soles are carefully shaped and sanded for smoothness. Each sole is painted with Louboutin's signature red lacquer by hand, and after drying, the sole is polished to achieve a glossy, striking finish. Here's a fun fact. The specific shade of red used on Louboutin's shoe is patented, ensuring its exclusivity. Once the shoe's structure is complete, it's time for the final touches. The heels are carefully affixed, ensuring stability. Next comes the insole branding. Every pair proudly sports the Christian Louboutin Paris stamp. But before a shoe can make it to the boutique, it undergoes rigorous quality checks. No uneven stitching, no glue marks, only perfection. Every shoe is inspected under bright lights for any flaws. The heels are tested for durability, ensuring they can withstand wear. Any imperfections, no matter how minor, are corrected to ensure the heels meet Louboutin's exacting standards. Quality control isn't just about finding flaws, it's about preserving the brand's legacy of luxury. Why it matters? Louboutin's commitment to perfection is why these shoes maintain their prestige and high resale value. The final step is packaging, ensuring that every pair is presented with elegance. Shoes are carefully placed in Louboutin's signature red and beige box. Each pair is wrapped in soft dust bags to protect the material. The box is finished with a ribbon, creating the perfect luxury unboxing experience. Here's another fun fact you probably didn't know. Every Louboutin dust bag is made from high-quality fabric to preserve the shoes for years. Louboutin heels have graced the feet of countless celebrities, Beyoncé, Rihanna, and even Princess Diana. They've strutted down red carpets, starred in music videos, and made cameos in blockbuster films. But it's not just about star power. Louboutin heels have become a symbol of confidence and sophistication. Before we wrap up, let's dive into some lesser-known facts about Louboutin heels that you probably never knew. Think you know everything about these iconic shoes? Let's find out. Did you know that the red sole is legally protected? Louboutin fought hard to trademark his red sole, even taking big brands to court to protect it. The result? A legal victory that secures his signature shade. Did you know that some pairs are handmade with real gold and crystals? The Strass collection features heels encrusted with Swarovski crystals, while special editions have included gold leaf detailing. Did you know that the signature arc mimics a ballet point shoe? Christian Louboutin once said he designed his heels to make women's legs look longer, inspired by the curve of a ballerina's foot on point. Did you know that a single pair can take up to 100 hours to make? Between design, crafting, and finishing touches, some limited edition styles require an insane amount of labor. Did you know that Christian Louboutin once designed shoes for Barbie? That's right. He created a special collection just for the iconic doll, complete with miniature red soles. Did you know that there's a Louboutin nail polish that matches the soles? If you want to coordinate from head to toe, Louboutin's beauty line offers a nail polish in the exact shade of his famous red. Did you also know the brand once made an 8-inch heel called the Ballerina Ultima? Designed as an artistic statement, these ultra-high heels were never meant for walking, just admiring. Did you know the most expensive pair ever sold cost over $50,000? Featuring hand-applied embellishments and exotic materials, these rare designs are true collector's items. Did you know that Pigalle is the most popular Louboutin heel? Named after a neighborhood in Paris, the Pigalle is a staple in any fashion lover's wardrobe. And finally, coming in at number 10, did you know that you can get custom Louboutins made just for you? If you have the budget, Louboutin offers bespoke services where you can create a one-of-a-kind pair tailored to your taste. From their accidental red sole origin to their status as a cultural icon, Louboutin heels are more than just footwear. They're a piece of art. Whether you love them for their craftsmanship or their statement-making appeal, there's no denying their impact on fashion. Which facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of high-end fashion. Until next time, stay stylish.